Bars filled, people celebrating. This is the scene north of Chicago in Wisconsin after the state Supreme Court struck down the governor's stay-at-home order. The move is dividing two states. CBS 2 political investigator Dana Kozlov is live on Chicago's north side. Dana, Illinois Supreme Court could ultimately face the same type of decision.
Yeah, Erica, it is possible. No lawsuit currently filed within the state involving the governor's stay-at-home order has yet to reach the Illinois Supreme Court, and some lawmakers hope it doesn't, but others say, yeah, it's inevitable. Crowds are out and about in Walworth County, Wisconsin today. 91 miles south in Chicago, businesses closed in the post-pandemic world are becoming ever more apparent.
People want to save lives, yes, absolutely. But people also want to save their livelihoods.
Which is why many downstate Republicans and some suburban ones are continuing to push back against Governor J.B. Pritzker's plan to reopen Illinois in phases and by region. A plan many call vague, unnecessary, and potentially cataclysmic to businesses in regions hit less severely by COVID-19.
I think it's fair to have that question brought before the Supreme Court.
That's House Minority Leader Jim Durkin's take on what might become of Illinois cases currently in the court system, especially when it comes to whether the governor can extend his emergency powers beyond an initial 30 days.
I can't say whether or not it's right or wrong, but I think it's a question that is needs to be vetted and it needs to be brought to the Supreme Court of Illinois.
But many of the state's legal leaders hope it doesn't come to that.
I think what happened in Wisconsin is really what we don't want to see happen here in Illinois. We don't need this issue to go to a Supreme Court. I can't understand why an issue of social welfare, of health, of life and death has to be decided by our Supreme Court.
Many state lawmakers hope they'll be able to bring up their concerns about the governor's reopening plan next week when a special session in Springfield convenes. Live on Chicago's north side, Dana Kozlov, CBS 2 News.
Thank you, Dana. Another difference between the two states, the number of cases and deaths. As of today, Wisconsin has reported 10,902 cases since the start of the outbreak and 434 deaths. Compare that to Illinois, which today reported 87,937 cases and 3,928 deaths. Wisconsin does have fewer people, 5.8 million, compared to 12.6 million in Illinois.